Today we're getting our tools organized and nicely laid out, so we'll never have issue finding what we need again. This wall-mounted tool organizer has all the slots and compartments you need to arrange all your tools and be able to see everything with ease. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your manual, a baggie of tools and hardware, as well as pieces to your metal frame, nicely zip-tied together. Installation is quick and painless. Cut it open and lay out all your parts so you can see what's what. After all your pieces are laid out, you can grab your metal sidewall as well as your metal shelves. Screw those into place, and then on the third slot, sandwich in the metal tool extension between that and the shelf to hold it in place. Then grab the middle metal section and overlap the shelves on the left with the power tool hanging shelves. Then bolt them both down, holding all three pieces together. Just make sure to leave room for your power tools to hang. Then bolt down the end piece so that the screwdriver slots are on the outside. Give them all one last tighten to make sure everything is sturdy. Then find out where you're going to mount it. The shelves measure in at 16.5 by 7.8 by 7 inches. So make sure that you have a space big enough and area to bolt it down. I cut down a wood frame to mount to and used a power drill to secure it to the wall. The metal frame holds sturdy and gives you a firm place to hold and hang your tools. I went through all my tools and I found a place for everything. The shelves were handy and I loved the power tool slots. It's gonna make finding what I need and storing tools when I'm done so much easier. Now that it's fully loaded down, you can see just how much weight this thing can take. It holds all my tools with ease and shows no signs of bending or weakness. It's super sturdy and can even take some more weight. I have a spot for all my tools now, and I can finally store them properly. By now I'm sure you've noticed that all my tools are rather dusty. That's from improper storage. Now I can clean them up and have them nice and organized for any day in the future. Not only is it sturdy, but it provides plenty of options. Between the little shelf on the side to hang things off of, to the screwdriver holder on the other side. It will give you plenty of storage and look great doing it. Just look at how cool the reflective metal looks at night in the barn. I just love the way it looks, and I couldn't be happier. So if your tools are looking for a home too, this power tool organizer might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm going back out to the barn to marvel over my organized tool wall. See ya!